The 2027 Toyota RAV4 is the smartest compact SUV you can wait for. If you've been putting off a new SUV because every option seems to force a trade-off between saving fuel and having any fun behind the wheel, this lineup was built to solve that exact problem. Most compact SUVs are making you pick one or the other, but the RAV4 is proving you can get a fuel-sipping hybrid and a genuinely quick plug-in performer under the same badge. Number 6. Excellent hybrid powertrain. Every 2027 RAV4 will be arriving exclusively as a hybrid, and that's not a compromise anymore. The standard setup pairs a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with electric motors for 226 horsepower on front-wheel drive models. Choosing all-wheel drive adds a third motor at the rear axle, pushing the combined output to 236 horsepower. Watching the numbers climb at the pump is one of the most draining feelings of owning an SUV. That's exactly the frustration this hybrid system is built to erase, since the front-wheel drive RAV4 is rated for up to 47 miles per gallon in the city and 43 combined. Those numbers are putting it near the very top of the entire class, hybrid or not, and real-world testing is backing it up almost exactly. Acceleration isn't an afterthought either. The front-wheel drive version is sprinting to 60 in around 7.5 seconds, quicker than plenty of rivals that are still burning pure gasoline, and even matching or beating several other hybrid crossovers in that same test. On top of that, Toyota is backing the hybrid components with a 10-year or 150,000-mile warranty, so long-term reliability worries shouldn't be keeping anyone up at night. That efficient hybrid heart is impressive on its own, but it's wasted if the cabin around it still feels stuck in the last decade, and that's where things get interesting. Number 5. Loads of tech features. The 2027 RAV4 is running Toyota's newest infotainment platform, and it's standard across the entire lineup. A 10.5-inch touchscreen comes standard, while a larger 12.9-inch display is becoming available on select trims. The menus are snappy, the maps are clear, and a 5G connection is keeping navigation and streaming radio running smoothly. A 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster is standard as well, while shoppers who want a head-up display will need to step up to the Limited or XSE trim. Wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto are coming standard too, so plugging in cables for basic connectivity is becoming a thing of the past. A wireless charging pad is standard on most trims, with dual chargers available for households running more than one phone, and USB-C ports are showing up throughout the cabin. Few things are more nerve-wracking than merging onto a busy highway while distracted for even a split second. Toyota is tackling that exact moment with a full suite of driver assistance tech standard on every single trim, including automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Buyers wanting even more peace of mind can add front and rear parking sensors, a driver attention monitor, and a 360-degree camera system for tighter parking spots. Audiophiles aren't forgotten either, since a 9-speaker JBL sound system is available in place of the standard 6-speaker setup. So, the tech on board is genuinely impressive for this price range, but wait until you see what Toyota is doing with the powertrain hiding under the plug-in hybrid trims. Number 4. High-performance plug-in hybrid. For 2027, the RAV4 plug-in hybrid is stepping up as the most powerful version Toyota has ever offered. The system combines a 2.5-liter engine with electric motors for a combined 324 horsepower, all sent through standard all-wheel drive. That's enough for an estimated 5.2-second sprint to 60, a figure that would embarrass plenty of dedicated sport SUVs. Range anxiety is often the biggest fear stopping people from even considering a plug-in vehicle. Toyota is answering that concern directly, with this plug-in hybrid delivering a claimed 52 miles of pure electric range, enough for most commuters to skip the gas pump all week. Select trims are also offering DC fast charging, taking the battery from 10 to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. Though buyers should note that only the XSE and Woodland PHEV trims are getting that fast charging capability. Then there's the GR Sport trim, which is turning this SUV into something genuinely fun to drive. It's getting a Gazoo racing-tuned suspension, summer performance tires, a reworked steering system, and a lowered ride height. Toyota is also adding a front performance damper, a reinforced rear suspension crossmember, and a rear diffuser to sharpen how it handles corners. Reviewers who've driven it are describing muted body roll, accurate steering, and a hybrid powertrain that's actually eager when pushed hard through corners. That kind of speed is exciting, but horsepower means nothing on moving day if there's no room left for your stuff, which is exactly where the RAV4 pulls ahead again. Number 3. Spacious cabin. The 2027 RAV4 will continue offering one of the most useful cargo areas in the entire compact SUV class. Behind the rear seats, buyers are getting 37.8 cubic feet of space, expanding to 70.4 cubic feet once those seats fold flat. The cargo area itself is wide and square, with almost no intrusion from the wheel arches eating into usable space. Trying to jam a stroller, a cooler, and a weekend's worth of bags into a cramped hatch is a familiar headache for most families. That's the exact scenario this boxy, upright design is solving, since the tall roofline and squared-off rear end are translating into a genuinely taller, more usable cargo hold. The second row is roomy enough for adults to stretch out comfortably, which matters for anyone regularly hauling passengers instead of just cargo, and front passenger volume is holding steady at around 51 cubic feet. Small item storage is impressive too, with deep bins built into the center console and even the door panels holding more than a driver would expect. Front-wheel drive models can tow up to 1,750 pounds, while all-wheel drive versions are rated for a full 3,500 pounds, more than most rivals in this segment. All that space is great, but Toyota isn't stopping at practicality, because the way this SUV looks parked in your driveway is about to change too. Number 2. Customization options. Instead of one generic look across the lineup, the 2027 RAV4 will offer 3 genuinely distinct design directions. Mainstream trims like the LE, SE, and XLE Premium are keeping the clean, everyday SUV look that's defined the RAV4 for years, with pricing expected to start near $34,000. Buyers who want something tougher will gravitate toward the Woodland trim, which is leaning into rugged, off-road inspired styling with unique badging and a more adventure-ready stance. On the opposite end, the XSE and GR Sport trims are bringing genuine sport styling to the table. Faux suede seating with contrasting red stitching, larger wheels, and aggressive bumper treatments are setting these trims apart at a glance. The GR Sport takes things even further with functional additions, not just cosmetic ones. A front lip, a rear wing spoiler, cooling ducts, and a rear diffuser are all working together for a genuinely performance-oriented look, and 20-inch summer performance tires are finishing off the aggressive stance. For a segment where most competitors are offering one bland shape in 5 different colors, having this much variety is a real reason to hold out. That's 3 completely different personalities on the outside, but step inside any of them, and you'll find the biggest transformation is still waiting for you. Number 1. Elegant interior. This new generation is bringing a completely reworked cabin that's leaving the older RAV4's interior behind for good. A blocky, rugged design theme now shapes the dashboard, drawing clear inspiration from larger, more rugged Toyota models. It's a deliberate shift, and it's giving the RAV4 a tougher, more purposeful feel than the softer designs it's replacing. Fumbling through endless touchscreen menus just to adjust the temperature is a frustration plenty of drivers know all too well. Toyota is avoiding that trap here by blending physical controls with digital displays throughout the cabin, so climate and audio functions stay within easy reach. Upper trims are getting faux leather or faux suede upholstery, while sportier models add contrast stitching that elevates the whole cabin's appearance. And even the center console is redesigned with a low-profile shifter that frees up extra storage space. Build quality has also taken a real step forward for this generation. Panel gaps are tighter, materials feel more substantial, and the overall assembly is noticeably more solid than the previous generation's cabin. It's not chasing the ultra-premium feel of Toyota's luxury-leaning models, but for a compact SUV in this price range, the improvement is impossible to miss, and it's finally closing the gap on rivals that used to feel noticeably nicer inside. Add it all up, and the 2027 RAV4 isn't just carrying over unchanged, it's carrying over as the most complete version of itself yet. A hybrid powertrain that finally delivers real efficiency without sacrificing pace, a tech suite that keeps every trim connected and protected, and a plug-in variant that trades economy car manners for genuine performance all point to the same conclusion. Add a cargo hold that swallows a family's worth of gear, 3 exterior styles built for 3 different personalities, and a cabin that's finally matching the quality buyers expect at this price. And it becomes clear why holding out for this model is paying off in nearly every category that matters. But soon enough, the competition will become way stronger. Several direct rivals are coming with big updates, including the all-new Nissan Rogue you can check out in our next video. It's getting a full redesign for next year with a full load of new technologies and a revolutionary hybrid powertrain.